EA Sports.
NFL Street for the PS2. Kind of wrecked, but let's see if we can fix it. Definitely better. Still got some dings over here. Let's go see if it works.
EA Sports.
Sometimes in life, yo, you're gonna break.
Sheesh. Bro, the Street series was full stop the best sports series of all time. I don't care. Oh, bruh, is that lost pro? Oh, we can't play that. A quick start a game. Start a game. God, they don't make them like this anymore, man.
Come on, I'm ready for this game. Let's do this.
Sheesh. Turnover. Let's get it.
You want this ball? You're going to take it from me. Take it from me, baby. It's mine.
Oh my God, everybody use a yoke.
I'm coming! Here I come!
Oh my God, I'm terrified.
Uh-oh, they got a game winner.
Oh, bruh. Alright. Oh, damn, that was game already? Damn, I should have just used it. Hey, we were able to fix this one, though. If you guys want to see more content like this, hit that follow button. And yeah, until next time, guys. Latest.